In this video, Acme is proud to highlight our adoption of HMI Company's latest air-purged injection gun, the Elite 2, engineered to enhance efficiency, strengthen reliability, and help us continue delivering unmatched results. The Elite 2 is a freestanding, wirelessly controlled, air-purged injector that features reliable fast-acting control valves, easy twist port connection, and onboard pressure gauges. It enables efficient injection, gives operators full mobility, and maintains open pathways between injections for uninterrupted operation. Trusted by property managers, municipalities, engineering firms, and thousands of residential customers across Chicagoland, Acme provides dependable expertise and innovative polyurethane technologies. As a certified foamjection contractor, we specialize in concrete raising, deep foam injection, and advanced geotechnical applications. These include soil strengthening, ground stabilization, seawall repair, and large-scale void filling. We deliver durable and cost-effective results that extend the service life of critical concrete structures.